Jamaica was the first British colony to establish a post office. Yes, that's right, a post office. In 1663, King Charles II, the then reigning monarch, instructed Sir Thomas Lynch, Lieutenant Governor of Jamaica, to make the necessary arrangements for the establishment of a post office in the island. But this was met with obstacles, and on October 31, 1671, Gabriel Martin was appointed Postmaster General and was instructed to build the first post office in the then capital, St. Jago de la Vega, now known as Spanish Town. It was known as the Postal Corporation of Jamaica, which operated as a sub-branch of the British Post Office. Soon after, the need for reliable postal services grew, and in 1754, Edward Dismore was later appointed Postmaster General. He then established a network of post offices throughout the island, many of which remain as major post offices today. In 1776, the main post office was moved from Spanish Town to Harbour Street in Kingston, and in 1860 came the ending of its sub-branch status with the British Post Office. Then came the dreaded 1907 earthquake, which caused significant damage to infrastructure within the parish, to include the main post office. Plans were drawn up to construct a new building to include an automated central sorting office. Work started in the mid-1970s, and the sorting facility fully commissioned in 1980. Today, there is a network of nearly 600 post offices and postal agencies, with the central sorting office at the helm. In May of 1858, Jamaica used its first adhesive postage stamp. These were from Britain and were sent to the colony for use by the locals. In 1860, Jamaica got its own postage stamp. The first ones were valued at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 pence and a shilling. Soon, the need arose for a halfpenny stamp. The then Postmaster General decided to permit people to cut 1 penny stamps in half, diagonally, and each half would have a recognized value of half a penny. The first pictorial stamp to be used by Jamaica offered a view of Landover Falls in St. Anne. This was in 1900, but the size and color of the stamp were not liked. The stamp was entirely red, and it was known as the bedspread with the Welsh name. So in 1901, Jamaica reissued the stamp in 2 colors, black and red. A set of 4 stamps which featured historic scenes were issued to commemorate the 300th anniversary of British rule in 1955. And in 1956, a series of 16 stamps were issued, showing various local scenery, plants, and animals. When Jamaica gained independence in 1962, these stamps were overprinted with the word independence and the year 1962. Today we see a revolutionized Jamaica with technology at its focus. Now we are able to ship and track mail packaging in real time across the globe with the click of a button. The Jamaica Postal Service has cemented itself as an outstanding service provider, delivering mail items both locally and internationally, the major plank of its core business. And in keeping with the mandate to increase revenue based on customer demands, Jamaica Post has, over the years, expanded its offerings with the introduction of premium services to better serve its customers.